Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to talk about a cheese that is loved by many people around the world. It is not only delicious and versatile, but also packed with protein. Can you guess which cheese it is? Give it a try. If you guessed cheddar, then congratulations because you are right. That's right. Cheddar cheese is a hard, dense, and very popular cheese that originates from the county of Somerset in England. It has a rich history dating back to the 12th century and was initially named after the village of Cheddar, where it was first produced. Over the years, cheddar cheese has become one of the most widely consumed cheeses in the world and can be found in many different varieties and flavors. Let's start by talking about the unique qualities of cheddar cheese. Cheddar is known for its strong and distinct flavor that can range from mild and creamy to sharp and intense. Its texture is dense and crumbly when young and becomes harder and more crystalline as it ages. This versatility in texture and flavor is what makes cheddar such a popular choice for a wide range of recipes and culinary uses. Speaking of its flavor, let's dive deeper into what makes cheddar taste so good. The flavor of cheddar cheese is influenced by several factors, including the type of milk used, the aging process, and any additional ingredients or processes involved. Generally, cheddar has a nutty, sharp, and sometimes even salty taste that can be quite satisfying and enjoyable. Some cheddars may also have fruity or even sweet undertones depending on their origin and production methods. The aging process also plays a crucial role in developing the flavor of cheddar. As cheddar ages, its flavor becomes more intense and complex, developing characteristics such as a stronger bite, a more crystalline texture, and a richer, more intense taste. Moving on, let's discuss what makes cheddar an ideal choice for sandwiches. Cheddar's popularity as a sandwich cheese is well-deserved. Its firm texture makes it easy to slice and it melts beautifully, creating a gooey, flavorful mess that adds moisture and richness to any sandwich. Whether you prefer a classic cheddar and tomato sandwich or like to get fancy with gourmet ingredients, cheddar's versatility and robust flavor make it a perfect addition to your lunchtime creations. Now let's explore some of the health benefits of cheddar cheese, particularly its high protein content. Protein is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy body. It helps with muscle growth and repair, hormone production, and a whole host of other important functions. With approximately 24 grams of protein per 100 grams of cheddar, this cheese is an excellent source of this essential nutrient. Additionally, cheddar is packed with calcium, vitamin D, and phosphorus, all of which are essential for strong bones and teeth. Its high protein and low carbohydrate content also make it a great option for those following a ketogenic or low-carb diet. In our next section, we will delve into the specific nutritional content of cheddar cheese, providing you with detailed information about its macronutrients, vitamins, and minerals. So, if you're ready to learn more about the nutritional profile of this beloved cheese, stay tuned. That's a lot of protein. Now let's take a closer look at the nutritional content of cheddar cheese. As mentioned earlier, cheddar is a nutrient-dense food that offers a range of vitamins and minerals in addition to its high protein content. One 100-gram serving of cheddar cheese typically contains around 300 calories, 24 grams of protein, 20 grams of fat, and 3 grams of carbohydrates. The fat content can vary depending on the type of cheddar and the aging process, with some varieties being higher in fat than others. Cheddar is also a good source of calcium, providing approximately 20% of the recommended daily intake for adults. It also contains significant amounts of phosphorus, vitamin D, and vitamin A. Next, we will share some delicious and easy recipes that feature cheddar cheese, allowing you to incorporate this nutritious ingredient into your meals. If you love cooking or just looking for some new recipe ideas, this section is for you. One simple yet satisfying recipe is the classic cheddar and tomato sandwich. To make this timeless dish, start by spreading butter on 2 slices of bread. Add slices of cheddar cheese and fresh tomato slices. Season with salt and pepper to taste and enjoy this quick and easy lunch option. For a more indulgent snack or appetizer, try the cheesy cheddar bites. In a small bowl, mix together softened cream cheese, shredded cheddar, chopped green onions, and a dash of hot sauce. Roll the mixture into bite-sized balls and roll them in chopped walnuts or shredded coconut. Arrange the bites on a baking sheet and bake until golden brown. These cheesy bites are sure to be a hit with their combination of flavors and textures. Looking for a soup recipe? Try the cheddar cheese soup. In a large pot, melt butter over medium heat. Whisk in flour and cook for a few minutes until the flour is absorbed. Gradually whisk in milk or chicken broth until the soup is smooth and thickening. Stir in shredded cheddar cheese until it is melted and the soup is creamy. Season with salt, pepper, and additional cheese if desired. For a richer flavor, top with crispy bacon bits and fresh chives before serving. This comforting soup is perfect for a cozy meal on a chilly day. And finally, for a side dish with a twist, try the roasted vegetables with cheddar sauce. Toss your favorite vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Roast them in the oven until tender. While the vegetables are roasting, prepare the cheddar sauce by melting butter in a saucepan. Whisk in flour and cook for a minute. Gradually whisk in milk until the sauce is smooth and thickening. Stir in shredded cheddar until it is melted and the sauce is creamy. Pour the cheddar sauce over the roasted vegetables and serve. The combination of the roasted vegetables and the creamy cheddar sauce is both delicious and nutritious. Don't forget to stay tuned for more content on nutrition and healthy eating. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support means everything to us, and we look forward to bringing you more informative and delicious content in the future. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy snacking.